I remember seeing her constantly on her phone, either studying or texting someone. And I pretty much figured out that she had a crush on someone. Cut to now, she is actually marrying that crush tomorrow. Is I don't even have words because you guys have grown so much together, and I couldn't be happier that you found somebody who loves you so much. I know that this is hereditary in our family to have the best love stories and best love marriages.
Yes!
So this is going to be another really good story.
The first time he messaged me was on Christmas, on 25th, and that's the day we got engaged, 25th December. So that day is very important for us. So he wished me Merry Christmas, and after that, till today, we have texted every single day. So we have spoken like every day, either something or the other. If you know Rish, he is a very comfortable person and a person who is very easy to talk to. So for me, he was a very close friend, a friend who I couldn't lose, a nice person to talk to. So initially when I got to know him, I did not think about even dating. It was more of like a person who is nice to have as a friend, like who is a very great friend, who I can go for like anything.
यूं करते खुदा मेरा आशिया है इश्क में उस पाक इश्क में मेरा आशिया है इश्क में उस पाक इश्क में रंग दे मेरे महबूब के रंग दे
The first image I have of him is a very like honest person. Yeah. But we didn't speak until we had to perform some topsy-turvy dance competition was there. So the first time we actually interacted was for the dance competition, where that time also we didn't speak much. It was mainly about dance and stuff.
मौला मेरी एक इल्तिजा है ये नूर से मेरा दीदार कर दे रहमतों की बारिश अब यूं बरसे रहमतों की बारिश अब यूं बरसे मौला मेरी एक
guy who made me laugh like crazy. Even on my darkest days, he was there just to make me happy. And he was like, Aryans again is a very, like 11, 12 is a place where you just go to study. And that time when you're just focused on studying and like there's nothing happening much in your life, he was that one person whenever I would look to, I could just see brightness. You know, a bright person standing over there just to cheer everybody up, not just me, anybody around him.
ऋषभ को मैं पहले दिन से जानता हूँ कॉलेज के और he's been my best friend since then and he's been the best friend I could have asked for. सिमरन सौतन
सब एक से एक वरिष्ठ विकलांगना है। कोई कथक डांस में एक्सपर्ट थी कॉलेज के दिनों में, तो कोई कुचिपुड़ी डांस की एक्सपर्ट थी कॉलेज के दिनों में, लेकिन सब अब शांत थी, गुमनाम की जिंदगी जी रही थी। लेकिन ऋषभ और सिमरन में आज सब इकट्ठे हुए हैं और इतने धमाकेदार डांस के लिए आप लोग सब यहाँ हैं, तो एंजॉय कीजिए।
So it took me about a year to cut out Samu, and after 6.5 years we're finally getting married and I'm extremely excited to tie the knot finally. I greatly enjoyed growing up from childhood to adulthood with you and I'm looking forward even more to grow old with you. And finally I want to say that my phone may have 2 SIMs, but my heart only has one.
Everyone here knows their love story because ये बचपन का प्यार है।
ओढ़ के धानी चूनर तेरी मेरे ख्वाबों को पंख लगे हैं, उड़ने लगा हूँ नीले अंबर।
Throughout the whole time, I remember that they were all secretive and sending emails, and then uske baad also like whenever he wrote songs for her, it was all like sent on emails.
So I started picturing those songs to our life, and I didn't know it's actually written for us. So that was something.
अब तो मेरी है ये दुआएं, पास लाए तुझे ये हवाएं, संग हो मेरे तेरा हर पल, मेरी रूह भी तुझ में समाए।
I've seen Rishabh as a child and seen Simran, and I now believe that Punjabi Goan weddings can exist. So that's the biggest most thing ever. So my whole heart goes to you.
के सारी रातें तुझको सोचा करती रहूं।
times that now we look back and say, yeah, those were the difficult times. There was never a time where I felt like, oh, I don't think this is working, or I should give up on it, or it was always right. No, we'll work through it. हो जाएगा काम कुछ ना कुछ. Even before we started dating, when we used to hang out together, I knew कि हाँ, lifelong I have to do this. So why not do it now?
अब तो मेरी है ये दुआएं, पास ले आए तुझे ये हवाएं, संग हो मेरे तेरा हर पल, मेरी रूह भी तुझ में समाए.
I still cannot believe it that it's finally happening. I can't believe that it's happening. I think it hit me yesterday. It keeps hitting me बीच में, but the moment when I walk down and then I look at him and when the mala is exchanged, that's the moment I'll feel कि हाँ, something happened.
हो ये आसमां या हो ज़मीं, आंखें तेरी सबसे हंसी, तू जो मिला तो सारा जहां एक पल.
I still can't believe it. So me and Rish have this thing where whenever I would ask him, when are you going to marry me? He would always say tomorrow. So this is the first day when we can actually say that, ask each other like, when are you going to marry me, and mean it like tomorrow.
वो जैसे हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं. दे केयर फॉर ईच अदर, दे कीप ईच अदर इन्फॉर्म्ड. ऐसे कम देखा जाता है कि बंदे एक दूसरे की केयर करते हैं, इक्वली इन्फॉर्म करते हैं. अच्छे हैं.
इन लफ्ज़ों में बातों में है सुकून.
How do you describe Simran with you as a father and a daughter?
मेरी हार्ट बीट है वो. मैंने बहुत गहरा बॉन्ड है. नहीं, वर्ड्स में ऐसे क्वेश्चन है ना जो वर्ड्स में बोलने से लगता है कि यू कांट डिस्क्राइब समथिंग विच इज इनफाइनाइट. ये जो बॉन्डिंग होती है इनफाइनाइट बॉन्डिंग है.
जब ऋषभ से मिले एंड रेगुलर मिलने के बाद we felt like nobody could be better than Rishabh. She's got a right choice.
हो ये आसमां या हो ज़मीं, आंखें तेरी सबसे हंसी, तू जो मिला तो सारा जहां एक पल में.
Bond is like I just cannot describe the bond. It is beyond any description. Yes, कभी सिमरन उधर शी इज़ कमिंग हियर, ऐसे मन में हॉल पड़ता है. सो वी इनिशियली वी वर ट्राइंग टू मेकअप, अभी सिमरन जाएगी, शादी हो रही, चलो और रात को बातें करते हैं. देन हम दोनों ने बोला बस ये इधर ही है. शी इज़ इन पैंजिम. येस, वी वर वेटिंग फॉर दिस गेटिंग मैरिड.
From today, there will be a new member in my family. I'm really looking forward to it. And though she's been in our house for the last more than 6 years, in and out we've been meeting, but I can't believe that now she is my family. Like she is there 24/7, as now we are a team of 4. So I'm very, very excited about that.
marriage, I would never be able to define myself as ladki wala or ladke wala. Because this girl, she loves me so much. And that guy, he also loves me so much. And I love them both so much from the core of my heart. And I'm so happy for them.
Like I've seen Simmo sometimes when she has any doubt, like instantly she feels that she should discuss it with Rishabh, like clear it out, and that sort of connection it's rare to find. Like when you think of that person first, and yeah, it's amazing. I think they're gonna be great. Yeah, like they're adorable. So yeah, I'm very happy.
And every time someone asks me about, have you experienced, have you seen true love or like what it means, and their couple is always the first thing that I say, God bless, touch wood.
It's really nice to the way I've seen both of you all communicate each and every time, talking about sentimental stuff, and Rishabh has always been there to give a shoulder for you, and I'm very glad he's there for you, and I really wish that you all have a very happy married life, and so best of luck for everything in the future.
तेरे करीब हूँ खड़ा दिल मेरा माने ना खुश नसीब
they share a very good bond, okay, and their understanding between them is very good. They stand by each other, and basically what the other person is wanting, they can gauge that, and according to that they do the things.
बेकरार है ये दिल, जाने क्यों जानो ना एतबार है ये जो तुझ पे यूं मैं कुर्बान इंतजार था.
They are perfect for each other. I cannot, like, I have always seen Simmo as this very talented person, and to have somebody equally as talented as Simmo and in fact matching her energy and uplifting it was something that I would say is the most perfect and rare thing to find, and they found it, and I'm very happy for them.
कहाँ दिल की कहे ये धुन, तेरे सिवा कौन मेरा, जब से मिला मुझको तू, जब से हुआ हूँ पूरा मैं, बस तेरा ही था इंतजार. बेकरार है ये दिल, जाने क्यों जानू ना एतबार है ये जो तुझ पे मैं कुर्बान इंतजार तेरा.
For me, I think it's more like you're like two different people and everyone's like two different people. I think when you're in love, you just like become one person. So talking to her is like talking to myself. I know that it's almost like there's like a different version of me where I'm equally comfortable, equally this thing of how I would be on myself. So I think that's how it kind of is with us, and yeah, just like an intuitive feeling on the inside which you can't really describe with words, I think.
So I feel respect is a major part for me and for you also.
For me, though, see, I've been a kid to her always, and even now the energy between us is the same. So it's just like she's energetic, and even I am. How do I say? It's just a brother-sister thing. Since I was so young, I didn't know much about what was going on between Simmo and Rishabh. But अभी जब हो रहा है सब कुछ, I'm getting to know. She knows more than me. So
I think this is something everybody knew was going to happen and it's finally happening. So everybody is more excited about it. But you'll see कल विदाई के time.
कल रॉ इमोशन दिखेंगे असली लोगों के.